Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to airbrush and use an airbrush machine. This is a very simple and a very nice way to apply foundation. I personally love it. So the benefits of the airbrush machine, that it gives you a skin-like, very natural look after you apply your foundation, which is just like this, except the concealer. That's why the concealer looks off a little bit, because it's not airbrushed. And it lasts a long time. Some of the foundations, because they have silicone, water, or alcohol based, some of them would last up to 13 hours. It won't transfer on your clothes, or the makeup won't move around, which is a very good thing, honestly. It's a very lightweight foundation and it looks amazing on camera. Also, a little bit goes a long way, so you don't need to buy a lot. You can keep layering it, it won't look cakey. That's the amazing part about it. Honestly, I could keep going on and on about this airbrush machine and about the airbrush makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So now I have 12 shades of foundation, and this is the Temptu foundation. They have 3 types of this foundation. One is silicone based, which is the one that I will be using today, and they have an alcohol base and water base. I know my shades from this foundation. I'm going to be using shade 6 and shade 4 mixed together. So for the parts of the machine, I have the compressor, I have the airbrush gun. So in this airbrush gun, I'm gonna fill the foundation in this cup. We need a couple dots in here. So you have to press the trigger down to release air, and then pull it down and backwards to release air with foundation. So when you pull down, it's only gonna release air. There's no foundation. No matter how much foundation you have here, it's only gonna release air. So depending on the areas you wanna cover, let's say I have a blemish here, I have plenty here. I'm gonna be pushing down and a lot backwards and going closely to the blemish that I want to cover, and go in a circular motion to cover the redness. Also, you could color correct before you do the foundation, but I want to show you guys without color correcting or anything underneath. I just prepped my face. I have moisturizer on. Please moisturize before using the airbrush machine, because you don't want your skin to look flaky or very dry. So when you want to start airbrushing your face or your client, you're going to hold the trigger down and pull it back, and then you're going to hold the gun far away from your face and then start doing circular motions. So now I'm going to fill the gun with my foundation, and this is shade number 6. I'm going to be putting 4 dots for now. I applied 4 dots from shade number 6 and 2 dots from shade number 4. To make sure your hairline or whatever you're doing doesn't get foundation on it, I like to keep a napkin that I'm gonna fold like this, and I will be covering wherever I'm airbrushing. For me, I personally don't like applying foundation before I apply eye makeup. And I always like to do my eye makeup first and then doing my foundation. But when you're airbrushing your makeup, you need to do your face first and then your eye makeup, because you don't want any residue from the foundation on your eyelashes or on your eyebrows, you know what I mean. I'm going to turn the compressor on, and to blend the 2 shades together, I'm going to cover the gun from the front, push the trigger down a little bit backwards to bubble up the foundation here and mix them together. So to start airbrushing, you want to hold your gun down so all the foundation can go to the needle in the front, and then start applying your foundation. The only one thing I didn't mention in this tutorial, or actually I forgot to mention, is airbrushing your own face is way harder than airbrushing a client, because you could tell the client to close their eyes and you can just airbrush the whole face very fast and easily. But for me, I was like doing weird faces the whole time I was airbrushing my face, because I just didn't want the foundation to get inside my eyes. Now to contour my face, I'm going to add 2 dots from the shade number 6 and 2 dots from the shade number 9. I'm just going to apply regular concealer, highlight, and blush, and then I'll be back.